First thing that you're going to do is to upload the trailer that you want to use as your premiere trailer. So as you can see it here guys, na upload ko na yung trailer ko, yung Hanabi Enter versus 4. Next, go to your studio, Google Chrome guys, and then go to YouTube Studio using your Chrome browser. And then select the video that you've already set as premiere. Just click the title and then select the pen sign, the pen icon, for you to edit the file. Now you'll be routed on this page guys. This is the face of your dashboard. So you just go to your go to videos and then select the premiere that you've selected, that you want to insert the premiere. So as you can see it here guys, ayan na, nakaset na yun. I-click lang natin yung title, then click the pen sign, and you'll be routed to edit something on your premiere. So as you can see it here guys, you see there, edit premiere. Just click that one, and then you will be routed to insert a video of your selection that you want to as your premiere. So once you will click on edit premiere, this one guys, it already has the premiere that I've selected. So once it does not have anything there, you will be routed to your short videos that you've uploaded. So you can select any of those as your trailer. So make sure first to upload a short video as your trailer before you will edit your premiere. And then once you'll be able to select that video, just click on save to update the changes, at makikita mo yan siya guys, na magiging updated na with the video that you want as your trailer. So i-save nyo lang yung changes guys. Make sure to save it at the very bottom or bottom right. You will see there the save icon. So just click on save, and then you can review it on the application or YouTube application for the changes, and you will surely see that there's already a changes made, and you'll see that it's already updated with the trailer.